Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is Christian Kane. I wanted to briefly go over my application called Clickyz. It's a 3D custom mechanical keyboard editor that allows you to play with the colors of the case, alternate keycaps, and the primary keycaps of a keyboard. Came across this idea just because I'm pretty big into the custom keyboard hobbyist community. And one thing that I found is that whenever you're looking at like the different components, you can never like get like an actual idea of like how the different colors we're gonna look together. So I thought having an interactive way to be able to customize things and play around with different parts and see how the final render would look would be a pretty fun project. So talk quickly over the technology. For the back end, I'm using Sinatra. Front end, I'm using a JavaScript library called P5JS to display the keyboard over here on the left-hand side, as well as enable the 360 toggle that you see right here. This keyboard I made with a free 3D editing software called Rhino. It's comprised of 3 different components: case, the alternate keycaps, and the primary keycaps. And the right-hand side over here, we have some toggle inputs that allow us to change the color of the various components, like so. Yeah, and let's see, if we refresh the page real quick, you'll see that actually we can toggle the different combination of colors once it loads. Alright, cool. Yeah, so once we refresh, we can just quickly toggle and see different combinations. Cool. I think I like that right there. Now, once we have one that we like already, we can quickly save it. So let's call this one gray and turquoise. Probably spelled turquoise wrong, but it should be okay. See, my computer is going a little slow today, so just bear with me, please. Alright, and yeah, once we hit the save, we're prompted with a login screen. So I'll quickly log in with some credentials that I've already made an account with. Alright, yeah, back to the main screen. Let's go ahead and submit it. Taking a few seconds. Cool. And yeah, now once we submit it, we can see a list of the builds that we've already made. This is one that I made before, and here's the one that we made just now. And we can see information about the case, the primary color, and the alt color that we chose, as well as this image right here that gets rendered. This is actually a snapshot of the canvas that's being hosted in Google Cloud, so we can get saved in the Google storage bucket, and then we can reference the image and populate it right there. We can also edit it. Let's see, just give it a quick second. And let's say if we wanted to, change the case, say a gray color. I think that looks pretty good. Quick call it gray and turquoise V2. As we can see, cool, and the updates were persisted, and then we can see the new image display the new case color. And we can also delete the builds that we have. Computer's going really slow. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we can see that build that we made is no longer there. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of the application. It's a pretty lightweight application. It's again using Sinatra and P5JS. And yeah, I think that pretty much goes over everything that I wanted to show. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thank you.